The faucet splashproof filter can be installed on your faucet to filter and regulate the water flow, which could make the faucet in your kitchen or bathroom healthier and flexible. Splashproof, the water outlets are densely distributed, which disperses the power of the water flow and guarantees the water won't splash. Filtration, natural mineral materials are included. The medical stone can absorb impurities and purify the quality of water. Telescopic and rotatable, telescopic and 360-degree rotatable design make the faucet more useful and flexible. Easy installation, the splashproof filter accepts nearly all kinds of the faucet and it's really easy to install on your faucet. High-quality material, the splashproof filter is made from safety and durable material. Both hot water and cold water are acceptable.